abusuafo ya mo bibi akwa ba de ba attention TV mo nim say eba no dwontom a abranti a wagidin a won dwontom pa dodo na efren Blacko just say eno obi ko ka say hey Blacko just say we nyina no eye din a ye de ma no eye fans kwekukela ni nyina no eye ni din a ye de ma no na eda no ada obepie mu a mo nim say okobo shows awo abrochire na ada no do obepie mu awo Kutoka International Airport pe na aja a police for ede no kwem na a police for eso no no chese na chese eye nsem ba komienu bi ebi mo se eye wi ebi mo si se na chese ye hu nsem potia na ewo mu na enomo na chese nsem abeto dwane se company bi ema ne sika se enka ombra na omebo ndwom anase ombe show emfa mo na chese abrante ne jisika no wentimi amba ambe show no enam so ena mama wetimi eye den wadene akọ a police for assemble bia wadene kọ a police for a chese a police for aso ne pechi a sisia no obom wadene bia se one a police for ebe dele na chese ne wo ho no amaka eno na mpanifo no company ni aye wode ale adbeto dwa se enya se ebia na omoche ne se because of se eye wi na mbom eye fraud bi na aye de wa fraud omo enti na omo sa nzamwe ya to dwa pacho aye attention TV yanko ene ko hwe video no.
Well, I've been trying to say many. Did I medal na ma medal some afraid no much for you now. About and say I feel say we should really investigate this issue very well. Everybody knows and understands as it stands now, we saw our biggest music export from Ghana currently is Black Sherif. He's our biggest exporter. You know, him say, Abranti any Bojuma. In this a year or two now, he no there. Or Bojuma globally. Ghana in the air cause say, tag this say bar. I feel say, I was saying if we now say if there is a problem, yes, solve it because it does not augur well for the entire music industry.
True.
Ghana, then himself say, Obido car. Minimum emra that was say Obido car. Yeah, the police for question. Blacko. But I don't know. Somebody on my lawyer for the because I know say so be the car a civil case. So file case court. The person will be invited. No more dealing with the issue. That is what happens because it's a Black Sherif. All free one record label to another. And once I say no Ghana Boka, Ghana who invested this amount, or Boka cars, no. Only police phone question. You have to go to bed court, not court riding. As you see, it's this situation, it calls for a lot of things. It's a year cruise people company, you see, the court say a year Black Sherif from. They need to let us know. Now you must say, and then Guasibi no Muguno. Now in effect, music industry, no, I'm dealing with that is one flip side issue.
True say he has been arrested.
That is one aspect of it. But second aspect, this is where I come in, and also so I have my and I feel say we should really investigate this. I know they can obey the car, some America can have police in the channel. And every police knows the law. Ghana police for the own fantasy, they wouldn't do that. And then some of us questions say, come on, what is going on? And our second thing, we are questioning the issue. Is, the event is supposed to take place in August, 18th to 21st August or so. That is when the event is supposed to take place.
19th.
Exactly. If that is how many the event in the time was on, it requires us to do with for event in Sonia. You see where I'm coming in? The event is August. We are in July, middle of July. We have a whole 1 month ahead before the event takes place. It's what do or crime bench because event in Wama. You know what I'm trying to say? It's they need to come clear what is exactly happening. So what's the event? What's the or promotion or involving himself in the promotional? I don't know the arrangement you have with them because you have 1 month ahead of event today. There's always more time to do the promotion.
Ras, wait a minute. sorry, Michawanoa. Oko Monkasa Instagram page so omo make post also. Na caption no it reads or say nominate. Afro Cruise Jam is a 7-day land and cruise package filled with music, gastronomy and discovery featuring 6 destinations in Greece and Turkey. This year's edition is slated for August 18 to 21 on board there at Enomotage Omonepa cruise ship Edekahon. Which artists would you like to see on board? Nominate. Na say Hanomun Omumie who say show na nasa program na kasano 7-day program because so 18 to 21st. Not just in August, yeah.
Okay, it's say event time on Sonia. Meaning say time as wama and then you complain say ni pananya day. I think that would have been fair. I feel the toso means almost say me ready on several pages say Omodeneto was it wanted list
stop
at
list
the airport.
Stop list.
You see, Yemfa will be to stop list say what they work. I don't know which aviation in the world is going to indulge that. No aviation in this world will indulge say artists even performing when you can but then to stop list so international airports. Which law is going to abide by that? Which law? I don't know. Make a win in yes. I'm beginning to suspect say there is a lot of things it could likely be a stage for hype and all that. One for the company which excludes people, no hyper or they promote the events because now everybody's talking about events now. Everybody's talking about events. The event is yet to happen in August.
At the expense of Blacko.
Secondly, Blacko is yet. I understand say his new album will be coming out this month or so. It was also a hype for him because it's been a while I say Black Sherif crown in the media. Now everybody's discussing Blacko. It's they have to come clear and let us understand that this is not hype. This is not staged to promote anything. Because because Blacko is one of the most talented guys you have in the industry. And these things we raise genuine concerns. You are telling us Obi the Oka, minim Ghana has Obi the Oka, the police for question. Mintis has some be that. Even the police preach against people first no the police for intimidate ma me mo tete dwom so mo de lonka my police for the bounce me catch them say yenye nisa ye police ni bia and daika ye police for inform daika. They keep telling people to be aware of that say ye police for daika. It's how comes there was be the work with the police for question no ye nti bi da ye no so 20 year the event is even in August. We have the whole month ahead. Event in Kermuno where do zika kwa beso. They need to come and explain to us why or more claiming that. And at the also 3. Also, Mumayetia say, may you say, in the world international say, this international aviation is will be the worker with the stop place what the worker. There's no law like that. It's no more educated. And yes, idea, some of us are going to believe, say, there is something fishy going on. To promote their things.
Okay, but you say, when say a stand to be an answer promotion something be able to me I have Blacko because a whole brand like Black Sherif brand now we say a DB say title be say bedana so go na be say na da hono and pushy away ne deals be near there.
It wouldn't. Well, one thing I know woman say, artists go through most artists at a point yes money be crack.
The pacha wan kasa wan hun sama ekoye what be wo wasum. Yen nyina yen fantu yen ho say so because a baby be mom na say wontimi nya me pacha manipa no hu say mintimi enye say na be ya nipa no so be pa bi foforo na wa manipa na be ya na wa pa bi foforo abe en say oje ni bi na echi no na kwankwa ya amana so e wo say hu kwan ya woni nipa kwan be kasa say na be ya obetimi ade asomdwe aba ha aya attention tv pacha like it na follow ya na for comment bra na pia share na ma foforo so en hu ne ekwa medin e de amansan chi ame akwasi mensa.